AI features on Samsung Tab S8 Ultra, One UI 7.0. Hey everyone, welcome back to FreeByte Studio. Today, let's explore some amazing AI features that make your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra even smarter, from image editing to productivity and camera tricks. Let's dive right in.
Okay, let's go.
AI features on images. Copy image between photos. Just press and hold an object. It'll lift out of the image. Now open another photo with your other hand and drag and drop it right in. Open a new tab. Press and hold the image. It'll pop up in a blank tab. Copy it to your clipboard and paste it wherever you want. Copy and insert whole image. You can even copy the full photo and drop it into another one. Super simple. Background blur. Swipe up on the image, you'll see the blur option. Use the slider to adjust how much background blur you want. Remaster and effects. You can remove shadows, add live effects. Just swipe up the photo to see all the enhancement tools. Remove unwanted objects. AI automatically detects and removes unwanted things from your image. If not, just select and erase them manually. Extract text from image. Open your camera, point it at any printed text or package, and tap the lens icon. Done. Doodle to art. Draw anything you want. Click the AI icon and watch your doodle turn into real art. Draw inside the image. Draw directly on a photo. The AI transforms it into your intended image. WhatsApp image correction. When sending a photo, AI suggests cropping it perfectly for the platform. No more cut-off edges. AI features for video editing. Slow motion. Pick any video, select the range, and boom, it's slow motion. Auto Movie Maker. Select a few clips and images. AI creates a movie automatically. You can add music, text, and transitions in seconds. AI features for productivity. Web page summary. In Samsung browser, tap the AI icon. Choose Summarize. Interpreter mode. Swipe down from the notification panel. Select Interpreter. You speak your language and it translates live. Perfect for travel or meetings.
Sweetie.
Me too.
Yo también. Where can I find a good restaurant?
Querida, y gire a la izquierda y hay un restaurante en la esquina. Es un buen restaurante de comida italiana. También se sirve chino.
An AI speech composer. Give it a topic. It'll compose a full speech for you. Copy web page to notes. Drag a web page into Notepad. It automatically extracts all text and content. Multitasking. Open 2 fixed windows and 1 floating, all at once. Just tap the bar line and select multi-window. Audio to text. AI automatically converts any speech or recording into text. Great for YouTube scripts or captions. Camera AI features. Auto framing. Works great for front camera videos. It keeps you centered even if you move. Perfect for vlogs, parties, or group videos. Here's a super cool trick. You can actually use your phone as a color palette for your drawings. Just make sure both devices are logged in to the same Samsung account and connected via Bluetooth. Once they're linked, you'll see the connect icon pop up. Just tap it. Now, your phone is connected. You can easily choose colors, adjust brush sizes, and tip right from your phone, while using the massive 14.6-inch display on your tablet to draw or write. It's super handy, especially if you're an artist or designer who loves extra space to create. Bonus tips. To charge the S Pen, keep the pen tip facing the camera. Attach a keyboard to use your tablet just like a laptop. We've come to the end of the video. Which AI feature is your favorite, and which one do you use daily? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. This 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display is just stunning. Movies, games, productivity, everything feels smooth, bright, and immersive. The Dolby Atmos audio adds that perfect finishing touch. So before upgrading, take these new AI features into account. Because honestly, the Tab S8 Ultra still beats the competition in 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to FreeByte Studio for more tech updates. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.